Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Honda Stream. It comes with 66,674 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter four-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. So it does come with a 3rd row, but I have the seats down to show you how much space is back here. As y'all can see right there, that's how you put the seat back. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away also. All right, the number that you're seeing, 107,321. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 66,674. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thank you.